I'm going to apply the new Huda Beauty blush. The new Huda Beauty liquid blush. Just like this. So cute. I like the packaging. Very cute. It's 4.5 ml. Is it ever showing? Okay, showing. Using this sulfate brush. Oh, this is beautiful. I was being careful, so I started with a little bit. I don't want to go crazy. The pigment is there. I didn't add a lot, so. This shade is called Watermelon Pop. So I'm going to add this shade. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I love this. This is for the dark skin girl. Ooh, ooh. But I must say, this is very easy to blend. Look at the way, look at the blending. Look at the blending though. Look at the blending. The blend. The blend. Oh, lovely. Look at the way that concealer is blending with the blush. I want to check if I can apply that blush on top of it. Blush. I'm going to apply it at the back of my hand. Let's be careful here. Tap, tap, tap. It works. You can apply it on top of powder. Just be careful. Don't apply it directly to your face. Just apply it on your hand or somewhere. Then you blush. The new Huda Beauty blush, I'll just apply that on my lid. I'm telling you, this blush on the lid is giving what it's supposed to give.
Cotton Candy. Second shade, Peach Sorbet. Third shade, Watermelon Pop. Fourth shade, Strawberry Cream. Fifth shade, Black Cherry. These are really pigmented and looks really good. What do you guys think of the blushes?